Kalas. Put down. Yeah.
It's like this.
Oh, no. Slowly.
It's thicker, that's why.
Down. Pull out. Just put them. Okay, this one. Here. You know. Okay, Kalas. Slowly, slowly. It looks like fat, but we'll see. It's not. Maybe it's heavy for you.
Ooh.
Chromebook. Put on.
How this?
I don't know how to put on.
I think it needs charge, Mom.
Still have a small battery, so it's this.
Battery? I thought it needs charge.
Of course, when you charge, there's little. At least you can make put the power on.
Let's just do.
Yeah, do it. Change English.
No. So we're gonna have to change it and make.
English.
Can you see English? English, right?
Yeah, and the top.
Okay. And then input
Yes.
method. Yes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get started. Click get started.
Oh, where?
Here. Hala G.
I cancel. Hala 5G. So. It's nice. Wow, you're only 7, you have a Chromebook, right? You are 8, you have a Chromebook.
Grade 4.
Yeah,
What color is it?
it's white and orange.
How old is it?
What is this done?
Yeah.
Enterprise, it means. What is it doing?
Chromebook managed by KES Education Kuwait.
Mhm.
Sign
Sign
in.
into your Chrome.
It's right.
Is set up.
Control your data. Okay, KES student site. So it's already here.